Today I just got my slime package from EmilyPuff_ on Instagram, and you guys should definitely check her out because she is super duper trustable and she has a lot of proof on her Instagram page that she is not a scammer, and also she makes slime and she sells them.
They will be for $5 shipped, which is actually a pretty good price for a slime because she's only gaining like $2 off of it.
So it came in like this poly mailer. She wrapped the slime inside this bubble wrap, and it is super duper hot outside, so I did set this next to the air conditioner just because I'm afraid it's going to melt.
I'm just going to open it. So she let me choose the colors, so I chose green, blue, and purple. There are 2 ounces of slime in each container, and there is like a little bit of spillage, but I don't really care.
So she wrote me this note.
So it says, thanks at InfinityIrene for reviewing my slime. Mint green, blue, purple, Instagram at EmilyPuff_ YouTube, squish.
She gave me this bag of borax, and oh my gosh, thank you so much because I do not have borax at home and I really want to make slime with borax, but I just don't have borax, so thank you so much for this.
So I'll start off with this.
So I'll start off with this purple one. Ooh, it's so cool. So here's the slime, and it's so cool. So here's the slime. And it's very cold.
It doesn't show on camera, but it is a very beautiful purple color. So I will take this out, and oh my gosh, it feels so, like, cool. Like, it's so wet, but, like, it's not sticky. It's, like, super duper soft. So this is a very pretty slime.
So next, there's this mint green or pastel green one, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's this very cute logo, and it says EmilyPuff Instagram, and it's so cute. So it's super duper cool, and I just love the color. So here's the slime. So this one's super duper squishy. I just love this one so much. So these are super stretchy. And lastly, there's this blue one. Ooh, so pretty. This is like a very light blue color. So yeah, that was my slime package from EmilyPuff.
And I forgot to mention that you also do custom orders, so you can choose whatever color you like, and you can add glitter or whatever.
And I think my favorite would have to be this mint green one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye! package from Slimy Foam on Mercari, and this is actually a review package and a purchase package. So I purchased one squishy there, and then she said that she wanted to send me some slime to review for her shop.
And the funny thing is that she lives super duper close to me, and this came in like 2 days.
So here's her contact information. And also, I do have Mercari, so if you want to use my code and like sign up, then I'll leave it on the screen. Oh my gosh, she sent me so much. So I'll pull everything out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I did end up putting these white papers in the background because my desk is clear, so it's pretty hard to see these items on camera. But anyway, she did send me a note.
And it says, "Hey Irene, thanks for reviewing our shop and purchasing from us. We really like your channel, and your videos are amazing. Hope you like everything. Here are all her social medias."
So, she did say that the mini squeeze bottle is slime activated. Thank you so much for sending me this. Okay, so I'll show you the purchase item. I purchased this Batsmaru squishy, vintage squishy, and oh my gosh, you guys should definitely check out her shop because I only got this for $4 shipped, so thank you so much. So here's the squishy. It is defective because this is vintage, and it comes with like this tag and this keychain. So I'm just gonna squish it. Oh my gosh, this is so squishy. Okay, so here are the items that she sent me for review. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so let me tell you the story behind this. So I asked her where she got these like rainbow foam beads because like I really want them, and she said that she got them from eBay, and she actually sent me them, so thank you so much for sending me this. I actually really want to make foam with this because this is just so pretty and colorful. So here's the last things in this package. There are all sorts of colors here, so there's like yellow, blue, basically all the rainbow colors.
So I just took them out, and she did like wrap each one of these so that the slime won't spill.
So the first one is this purple slime, and it's a very pretty purple color. So cool. It's really sticky, so I'm gonna add some slime activator so that I can make it less sticky. So I did add a lot of slime activator. I think I used like half of the bottle, like almost half of the bottle of slime activator. But yeah, I finally got it to a good consistency. This is super duper stretchy. And by the way, these are scented. These smell like, this one smells like hand sanitizer, so it smells really good. So here's a purple confetti one, and I think she added some of these rainbow foam beads to it. This one's super pretty. Okay, so this one's not that sticky, so I didn't have to add any slime activator to it. But yeah, the beads are so cool. It gives like a really nice texture to the slime. This one also smells like perfume or hand sanitizer. So all of these I assume are scented. There's this pink fluffy slime. Ooh, that's so cool. Okay, once again, this one is scented as well. I don't really know what this one smells like, but it smells pretty good. So it's this pastel pink color. So the last one is this lavender slime. So this one is sticky, so I'm going to add some slime activator.
Okay, so I really like the texture of this one. This one's like very, very smooth. And it feels like very jiggly, if that makes any sense. Yeah. This one's a very nice color.
Okay, so thank you so much, Slimy Foam, for sending me all of these items. I really appreciate it. And I highly recommend you guys to check them out. A quick review for their shop is that the slime are just like 10 out of 10. I love the colors. I love how they smell. Except it is like a little bit sticky. But it was really, really smart of her to add some slime activator so I can like fix the slime, I guess.
Also, these were packaged very, very nicely. She did use a lot of like Ziploc bags to like protect the items.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Slimy Foam. I'll be putting all their links in the description box. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye!
Future hoes, shut up and let's get going. Like a Tarantino movie.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you all my slime collection as of 2016, and right now I don't really have a lot of slimes, and that's because a lot of them did dry up and I had to throw them away. But without further ado, let's get started into my slime collection. So first I'm going to be starting off with this Periwinkle one, and it's called Periwinkle Nights. And inside of it are some blue and silver glitters. Next I have this blue jelly slime, and it's called Bahama Paradise Ocean. Next I have this Mermaid Sea Foam slime, and it's just a light blue, and it has some gold glitters inside of it. Next I have these two slimes for my friend Rudra. The first one is this light blue slime. And then this orange slime, which also has an orange scent. Next I have this light pink foam, and it's called Raspberry Milkshake Foam. have this blue slime, and it's called Blue Glitter Jelly from my friend Mayan. And it has these really pretty silver glitters inside of it. And then I have this peanut butter and jelly slime. The first one is this tan one, and it's called Creamy Peanut Butter. And then I have this pink one, which is called Sweetened Strawberry Jelly. Next I have this green jelly slime, and it's called Deluxe Jade Dreams. Next I have this pink foam, and it's called Strawberry Smoothie Foam. And then I have this foam, which is called Mint Chocolate Dippin' Dots Foam. Next, I just have this purple slime with a bunch of glitters inside of it, and it's called New Year's Eve Fireworks. Next, I have this jelly slime, and it has a bunch of really pretty glitters inside of it, and it's called Jelly Glitter Galaxy. Next, I have Confetti Birthday Cake, and this is just pink with a bunch of random glitters inside of it. Next, I have this golden peach, and it's just a really pretty peach color with these gold glitters inside of it. And last but not least, I have this ice cream swirl slime, which is also one of my favorites because it looks so beautiful. And I apologize because I'm not going to be taking this out of its container because I don't want to ruin its really nice swirl effect that it has. But that was basically it for my slime collection. Please be sure to leave a comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.
Started. This is all my slime. First up, I have Rosie. Now I have Midnight. This one is called Cherry Blossom. is green clay slime. This one is crystal stars. This is Valentine's Day. Cookie Monster. This is Cookies and Cream. Next is Disco Ball. This is my watermelon bubblegum. Starships. This one is just glitter foam. This is mint chocolate chip. seafoam, which is way too big to fit onto screen, but this is what it looks like. And this is in size comparison. So yeah guys, that is all my slime for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below which slime was your favorite. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!
What the future holds, shut up and let's get going. Like a Tarantino movie.
Hey everyone, so I'm back for another video, and today I'll be showing you all my top 5 favorite slimes that I am currently addicted to. I'm really sorry if you can hear some splashing water noises because I am recording right next to my fish tank.
By the way, I finally did my nails. I know it triggers a lot of people when I have nail polish on, but it starts to chip off. And I'm always just too lazy to remove it, or I just don't have time to.
So I try to do my nails as often as I can, but I'm really sorry if you see chipping nails. By the way, number 5 is going to be not as liked, and number 1 is going to be my ultimate favorite. So for number 5, I have this hot chocolate floam. It comes inside of this rectangular container. And this one is chocolate scented, and I love the smell of this so much. I did use hand cream to make it scented. For number 4, I have this jumbo lilac fluffy slime. As you can see, this one is really big. This one is really thick, so it's not that stretchy as you can see, but it's super fun to play with. For number 3, I have this pink fluffy slime given to me by my friend Mayan. It comes in this square-shaped Ziploc container. I am in love with the color of this one, and I think it's so gorgeous. Number 2 is this really pretty holographic unicorn skin slime. I put it inside of this round container, and the slime itself is indigo. I'm not sure if the lighting is too bright for the camera to pick up the hollow right now. Like, there is hollow in this, but it's not showing up on camera, so I'm kind of confused. But other than that, I think this looks really cute and pretty. And number 1 is this jumbo, bold, pink, fluffy slime.
The lighting definitely changed right now, and I'm kind of sad.
But I put the slime inside of this round container. And the slime was inspired off of this e.l.f. lip lacquer in the color bold pink, of course. And I'd say this is a pretty good match.
And eyes bright because I used white glue to make it, and the white glue kind of washed out the color.
Oh no, my container just cracked.